In this review, we'll be discussing in detail about the best EDC flashlight available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. So whether you need best EDC flashlight, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Buying Guide present Top 6 Best EDC Flashlight. Let's get started.
Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us.
OLED display to show brightness, battery level, etc. Built-in USB-C rechargeable battery, dual switch for easy one-handed operation, 2 user modes and 2 lockout modes. Specification. Number 5. RovyVon Aurora 823 LED flashlight. Features: lumens up to 1000 lumens, 600 mAh rechargeable and replaceable battery, IPX8 rated waterproof, aluminum shock resistant body, 2 emergency modes, EDC compact flashlight, powerful EDC flashlight, USB charging, comfortable switch for one-handed operation. Number 4. WUBEN Rechargeable Flashlight High Lumens. Features: intelligent illumination design, long-lasting battery, USB rechargeable flashlight, IP68 waterproof, solid built body, portable flashlight for outdoor, low power, warning, overcharge protection, advanced temperature regulation technology. The specifications are: brand WUBEN, color tactical black. Number 3. ThruNite T1 Handheld Flashlights. Features: maximum 1500 lumens, magnetic tail cap, versatile modes, 18,350 battery, Cree-XHP 50 LED, including ThruNite 1100 mAh, 18,350 battery, rechargeable, compact and lightweight, dual direction clip, super simple, and 4 different modes. Number 2. Hoxida USB rechargeable flashlight. Features: USB rechargeable, 18,650 battery included, lightweight and compact. 1 key turn off the flashlight. Tactile flashlight, zoomable, IPX5 waterproof, designed for rainy day. Widely application, 2x magnetic LED flashlight, 1000 lumens brightness. Number 1. Streamlight 66608 flashlight. Features: immovable multi-directional pocket clip. Pocket clip attaches to visor for hands-free use. Multifunction push-button tail switch. Lithium-ion battery recharges in 4 hours. Sliding metal sleeve protects USB port. Runs 3.5 hours. Low or includes USB cord and lanyard.
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.